Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to take a quick look at PayPal. This company is down about 1%, but we can see after this company reported earnings, stock price is down a nice amount. From its 52-week high, the stock is down over 33%. So in today's episode, I want to take a quick look at earnings to share my own thoughts. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe button, check out the pinned comment where I have 10 free stock ideas for you. And I also have my free weekly newsletter where I share all my insights of all the stocks I'm covering right now. So this is the presentation I am taking a look at right now. And like I mentioned, PayPal is taking quite a hit. So PayPal, they reported earnings on November 8th after the market closed. And let's take a quick highlight. Quarter 3 revenue was $6.18 billion. That was up about 13% year over year. Unfortunately, it was down about 1% quarter over quarter. One thing management is saying is that, hey, same time last year, due to COVID, eBay had a huge growth. Now they're kind of seeing a bit of a slowdown. And like I mentioned, revenue was 13% growth year over year. If you don't count eBay, revenue growth was actually 25% year over year. So you can really see how eBay is really dragging down PayPal at the moment. So if you exclude that, it's about 5.95 billion out of that 6.18 billion. So that's some great news, right? Even though eBay is slowing it down, it's not much of an impact in total revenue right now. So something to keep in mind of. Another thing, total payment volume. This is very important for like a payment platform like PayPal, was 310 billion this quarter, up 26% year over year. It's pretty much flat quarter over quarter. It was down about 0.3%. That could pretty much be a rounding error to some extent. So it's pretty much flat, but something I wanted to mention. Out of that 310 billion of total payment volume, 300 billion was excluding eBay. So again, you can see eBay isn't really much in the top end. It's not really much of an impact, but obviously if you exclude eBay, it is growing at 31% year over year. So we can see eBay is slowing down. If we don't count eBay, it's already a small portion. Growth is still growing at strong levels. Venmo, which is one of PayPal's digital wallet, right? I'm pretty sure most of you guys have used Venmo. That's about 600 billion out of that 310 billion. So that's a nice amount of total payment volume just coming out of Venmo. And that was up 36% year over year. Next, if we take a quick look at active users, that was 416 million users, and that was up 15% year over year and up about 3.2% quarter over quarter. So we're still seeing growth year over year and quarter over quarter. So now you're saying, Jose, hey, things don't look bad if we take a quick look at the numbers. Why is the stock price down so much? Do you want 10 free stock picks right now? Well, if you do, let's take a quick listen to today's sponsor, a great reason why I'm able to provide so much content to you guys for free. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 free stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beat the market by more than 4x. Go to fool.com/Jose to get your free 10 stock picks now. First thing, let's just jump back into the bottom. There have been numerous analysts that have decreased the price targets, but kept the same rating. And if we take a quick look at all these reports, right? So this was down PayPal Holdings price target to 280 from 315, to 290 from 325, to 265 from 340, to 272 from 318, and the list keeps going out. A numerous amount of price target decrease. Most of them did keep the overall rating on PayPal, and most of them are over $280. Right now, PayPal is sitting at about 203. The other thing is the guidance that PayPal gave for this upcoming next quarter, quarter 4, for the full year, and the preliminary results for the upcoming year are not what analysts expected. So obviously, if analysts if they don't meet those expectations, it kind of causes more bearish sentiment and a bit of a sell-off. But see, in the past month alone, PayPal is down over 20%. In the past 5 days, PayPal is down about 12.12%. So now let's take a quick look at some of the highlights. One of the most important things, and I feel a lot of investors are excited, in 2022, Venmo will be an accepted payment solution in Amazon. So hopefully this increases that total payment volume for PayPal and for Venmo overall in the next year, right? That's early 2022. So in theory, that would be Q1. So it's not going to impact it shouldn't impact any of this remaining last quarter, but something to be excited about. Another thing, management is really excited about their new application. I've done a video on it before, but PayPal is trying to create this one financial application. Many people compare it to another competitor, another social financial application that's a little bit that's becoming the one and only financial app needed. But that's where management really wants to focus a good portion of their energy. Another highlight they mentioned is Payday, which is their Japan buy now pay later acquisition, closed in Q4. So some impact is going to happen in Q4 due to that acquisition. They also are expanding their buy now pay later services. They're already in different countries, United States, for example, I believe in UK, and then in this coming quarter, they're expanding to Italy and Spain. So they're really expanding this buy now pay later. They're also expanding the products within that market. Not only that, they're also doing more new crypto products. For example, if you are here in the United States, you can already kind of buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. So they kind of have this new product that they released, which was Cashback Crypto. So if you have a Venmo account and a Venmo credit card, usually your cash back you can keep as cash, or they have a service where that cash back is actually turned to some form of crypto instead. So they are increasing their crypto products, which could be bullish in short-term and long-term things. They are also expanding these crypto products to new regions. For example, this upcoming, they recently expanded to UK. At the end of the day, I mean, PayPal still has strong earnings, strong fundamentals. Cash equivalents, and investments are about $20 billion, and this company has debt of about $8.9 billion. These are pre-acquisition close, so it might change a bit in this upcoming quarter, but regardless, cash equivalents, and debt don't scare me at the moment. So right now, what do I say? PayPal is in my portfolio. This is a tier 2 stock. Right now, the prices that they're at, I would say this is probably a nice dollar cost averaging, either mid to high. If you guys are not familiar, I share my overall buying style in this presentation. It's free to anybody that wants to join. I sent it out every single week, but my buying style is mainly a dollar cost average every week. Certain positions might be high, certain positions might be a small position. Right now, I think PayPal is sitting at very attractive levels. If I really wanted to increase my exposure, now would be the time. So PayPal might not be one I might add this week, but for the upcoming week, it might make my weekly buying list. PayPal is definitely one I'm keeping an eye on. At the same time, right, PayPal definitely saw a huge run due to the overall movement of digital currency digital wallets and online payment during the COVID transaction and everything that was happening there. So, hey, investors might have priced it a little too much. At the end of the day, I think PayPal is sitting at attractive levels right now. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoy it. Take care, have a good night, and see you next time.